My name is Per Hallberg. I'm a sound designer. I create the audio tracks for Hollywood feature films. In my studio, I use the embracing sound technology of the Geneva system. It makes it easy to control my mixes. The technology works a little bit like a reversed microphone, I think. It's a simple explanation. Normally you have a stereo microphone sitting in the middle. It will pick up stuff that comes from left and come from right. It takes it into the middle. And this speaker box actually reverses that. So you have a center box that takes the sound and shoots it out in basically in the same way as it came in. First time I saw this system was in a studio in Stockholm, and there was a few guys that wanted me to come in and listen to something that they had. This has happened a number of times before, but I figured, okay, I'll do it. Usually it's some gimmicky thing that doesn't quite do it. This case, I walked in and there's one little box sitting right in front of me, and I'm looking at this thing, wondering what's going to happen. All of a sudden they turn up music in the room, and it's actually coming out of this one single box, and it pretty much blew me away. We listened to quite a few tracks of music. And one of the things that really hit me was not only did we have spatial feeling in left and right and all those things there, but you also had the whole room around us came alive, almost as if you were straight inside the studio. It's the way great sound should be, simple and elegant.